Hare Krishna. Today is the most auspicious disappearance day of Madhvacharya. Madhvacharya is the eternal associate of the Lord who comes in Kali Yuga to establish the pure teachings of Bhakti. Whenever there is decrease in religion and increase in irreligion, Lord Krishna comes himself or sends his pure representatives. It is explained that Madhvacharya's Vayuputra, the avatar of Vayudev. Vayudev comes in 3 yugas. He comes in Treta Yuga as Hanumanji, and with his club he destroys all the Asuric forces of Ravana. And he comes in Dwapar Yuga as Bhima, and with his club he destroys all the Kaurav forces. The same Vayudev comes in Kali Yuga as Madhvacharya and destroys all the wrong philosophies with his powerful preaching. Madhvacharya was a very, very powerful preacher. He spoke so strongly against the Mayavad philosophy. He couldn't tolerate the fact that people were calling themselves God. Therefore, Madhvacharya has always these 2 fingers, which shows that living entities and God can never be the same. We are different. We are eternal servants of God. We can never be God. So Madhvacharya, through his powerful preaching, established pure bhakti of Krishna. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because of his respect for Madhvacharya, chose to appear and take initiation in the line of Madhvacharya, because he loved this idea of Madhvacharya's powerful preaching. Srila Prabhupada, when he was writing a Vyas Puja offering to his spiritual master, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, he glorified his spiritual master by writing 2 lines. Absolute is sentient, though as proved, impersonal calamity, though as removed. Prabhupada glorified his guru Bhaktisiddhanta, saying that Bhaktisiddhanta with his powerful preaching has proved that God is a person, he is not impersonal. And this impersonal calamity, the idea of Mayavad, that we are one with God, God doesn't have a form, he removed all these misconceptions with his preaching. So Madhvacharya was the start of this powerful preaching against the Mayavad philosophy. So today, on the occasion of his disappearance day, we can all pray to Madhvacharya that we too can become powerful preachers and in our small way try to establish the teachings of pure bhakti in the hearts of others. Hare Krishna.